Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you on the channel dashboard. That is your YouTube channel dashboard. So now, as usual, you head over to your browser, then you go to your YouTube studio. Then now, we are in the channel dashboard. Now, this is your logo. This is your name. My name is Richard Ephraim. Then this is the channel dashboard. Now, this dashboard contains your, or should I just say, your analytics, parts of your analytics. So here contains the last video you uploaded and how well it performed. So first 3 days and 13 hours. That was when I uploaded it 3 days ago, 13 hours. Now the views, these are the views I was able to get because it's a short video. Now average percentage viewed 69.6 percentage. That means how long they were able to watch my video. Then how many likes? 5. Now you can go to video analytics, the complete analytics, or see comments, but it's reading with 0 here because nobody have commented on my video. Now the channel analytics, the current subscribers, I just have 4 subscribers. Now how many subscribers was I able to get in the last 28 days? It's +4. Now the summary is last 28 days I was able to have about 264 views, and my watch hour is 1.4, meaning 1 hour 40 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes if you calculate it. Then my top videos, that is in the last 48 hours. So I just have, it's always the first, third top videos, but here it's a new channel and I don't really have a lot of videos. So I just have 2 here, and it's giving me a view of 52 hours. I'm sorry, 52 views in 48 hours. While my other video here is giving me just 0. Now you can go to the full channel analytics here. Then now, these news are the news YouTube gives to you probably almost at times every day, at times just once in a week or weekly. So the news, your monthly roundup is here. Watch this month's creator roundup for all your updates. They just give news and it's very okay. And I will advise that you always listen to the news. Now, ideas for you. Just getting started on YouTube. Welcome to YouTube. We have got tips for uploading videos for your channel. Learn the basics of setting up your channel today. You can just click take media, or you can just dismiss it. Then creator insider, fan funding plus creator community. Now, recent subscribers. These are the subscribers. These are the people that subscribe to my channel in the last 90 days. You can choose to see all. Probably other channels with thousands of subscribers, they can have like 10, because why you are seeing this here is that anybody that have a YouTube channel, if that person subscribes to your channel, you will see the name and how many subscribers the person has. So published videos. These published videos are the videos you've uploaded, your recent videos. So this is the second to the last video I uploaded. This is the third to the last, fourth to the last, fifth to the last, and I was just able to get 2 views, then 0 comment and 1 like. So the same thing goes. Then you can see the video. Then YouTube education, that is the vidIQ. If you really want to know about how to understanding the YouTube SEO, how to get more subscribers, you can just go to the vidIQ app, so you can watch their video on YouTube. So let's stop here. The next one we'll be treating here will be the content, then the analytics, comments, the subtitles, and so on. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Ephraim. Thank you.